Hi, this is Renee Ellison. Welcome back to Better Philly. This recession has many drivers facing tough decisions about whether to get rid of their car insurance. Before you choose to, our guest has some quick tips to help you recession-proof your insurance. Eric Poe is the Chief Operating Officer for Cure Auto Insurance, and while he'd like you to consider how they can save you money, these tips are for anyone currently shopping for or looking to save on auto insurance. Thank you so much, Eric, for being with us today. Okay, Eric, what's your #1 tip?
My first tip is definitely look to see if you can increase your deductibles for comprehensive and collision, which are the physical damages of your car.
Now, why is that helpful?
Well, it's helpful because you pay so much money to make sure that your car is covered if it hits a tree or if you slip on the ice, etc. So when you increase your deductibles, the insurance company thinks there's a less likelihood that you're going to file a claim. So when you increase your deductibles, you also decrease what you pay your car insurance every year.
Oh, okay. So do insurance companies have payment plans to help out with that as well?
They also do. Every insurance company has payment plans, but you have to keep in mind that you're probably paying $5 for every payment that you choose to go on the payment plan for. But some car insurance carriers like Cure, for example, also allow you to pay by MasterCard or Visa, which, depending on what insurance company you choose, may or may not have that option.
Now, what if you lose your job? Does that affect your insurance rate?
Well, it depends on who you're insured with. So if you're insured with Geico or some other insurance carrier that uses your occupation, you could actually see your rates go up simply because you're unemployed. So it's kind of like a double whammy. Some insurance companies like Cure don't use those factors.
Now, this is a tricky question. Is it better for you to change your car or to change your coverage in order to get a better rate?
I definitely suggest looking at changing your car, because if you're really strapped for cash right now, the most important thing for you to do is to continue having a car with insurance. And believe it or not, if you choose a car like a Honda Accord or a Caravan to drive and insure, it's going to be considerably less than if you choose a sports car to get insurance.
That makes sense. Now, are you finding that there's more uninsured drivers because of the recession?
I definitely think that there are statistics that show that as the recession has hit all of us, that those people on the lower income scales that have to make a decision of whether they get insurance or not are getting pushed out of the market. So we are seeing an increase in the number of uninsured motorists in the country.
Eric, what should you do if you're hit by an uninsured driver?
Well, if you're hit by an uninsured driver, the first thing you want to do is call your auto insurance carrier. They're going to tell you how to make sure that you can file the claim properly and that you'll have insurance for that claim.
Thank you so much, Eric, for being with us. For more information and ways to recession-proof your auto insurance, log on to cure.com. Better Philly will be right back. I'm Renee Ellison.